Hey, what's up, guys? I wanted to share this tool with you for those of my music people out there. For those of you that don't know me, I'm a musician. I, when I do get time, I try to mess around in my little home studio, play my guitar, practice, and stuff like that, just because I like doing it. But I wanted to share this tool. I've been circling around it. It's an AI tool that helps generate music and helps you compose things and just boost your creativity. I was on the fence a long time with it because I'm a musician. I'm like, hey, the whole digital music thing, it's just, there's no soul to it and a whole bunch of other background stuff. But I changing my mind now. I underestimated it. I see it as an extension of us, augmented. But I'll stop talking. Check it out. I went to Google Music. I have this sample crate that I work on, just things I want to listen to and maybe use for music or play along with, things like that. And I ran across this one that was from Venom, the second movie, and it was real melodic. I thought it would be cool to use in a sample or spin off on something. And pretty spooky. Anyways, you guys get the hint. So what I did is I went, sampled it, and then I uploaded it because you can upload samples inside of Suno. Suno is the AI tool that I'm using right now. And it allowed me to take the sample, upload it, and then I can be like, here, I want you to extend this thing. I want you to do a variation of it. I want you to add lyrics and a singer to this thing. Spin this sound up and make it different or make it the same. Add trumpets. You can do all types of stuff and then just tell it to generate. Okay, and there's some pre-canned tags in here or buttons you can hit to automatically like sort of inspire you to how to use it. Okay, so I took that sample, I put it in here, and then this thing has a full-blown studio mode. So if you guys work in recording software, you're familiar with this. If you're not, this allows you to arrange your music, do your post-production stuff inside of. Anyways, I took that iteration of that sample, grew it out, added some guitar, put a little bit of like Latin hip hop style on it, and then it came up with this. This is crazy. Check it out.
Southwest Detroit, yeah, that's where I'm from. Under that 3130 sun, from the boulevard down to the riverside, it's Detroit City, and we rap it with pride. Southwest, yeah, we're living in 3130. Yeah, we're living in just the city life, just the hustle. Detroit pride, soul and muscle.
There you go. Pretty cool, huh? I forgot to tell you, you can highlight these things and you can be like, this section, the drums, I want you to recreate it, replace it in this style, do a drum roll here. That's what I did here with the vocals. So these vocals, I'm obviously not a singer, but I can come in here and I can say, hey, listen, or this is what I did. I was like, I want you to sing a hook in the beginning, you know, represent Detroit, 313, Southwest Detroit. I popped in some lyrics on what I wanted it to say, and then you can say create, it'll do it in this section that you highlighted, and it'll come up with a variation. Excuse me. And then you can expand it, and you can see all the variations. And you can just sort of loop through them until you find the one you like, and then keep it. Excuse me, I'm sick. That's why I've been messing around with this, because I can't do anything else. All I can do is listen and sort of just stare at the screen for a second without getting sick. So, anyways, I hope you guys like it. It's pretty cool. Check it out. Tell me what you think. Ugh.